Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Today we will discuss the foundational concept of data visualization. Yes, the art and science behind effective visuals. Dear friends, data visualization is not just about creating charts or graphs. It's about communicating complex data in a way that clear, concise and compelling. It's a bridge between raw data and actionable insights. Why does data visualization matter? Yes, dear friends, imagine you're looking at a massive spreadsheet filled with numbers, rows upon rows of data. Understanding patterns or trends or anomalies in that format is nearly impossible. But when you visualize that data, a line chart showing trends over time, or a heat map highlighting key areas, or a scatter plot revealing correlations, yes, it becomes much easier to grasp. And here visualization brings three key benefits. Yes, dear friends, simplify complexity. It turns complex data into comprehensible visuals, enabling faster decision making. Next, reveals hidden insight. Visuals can expose trends, patterns and outliers that might otherwise remain unnoticed. Engages and communicates. Yes, a well-designed visualization is engaging and helps communicate your findings to both technical and non-technical audiences. Dear friends, to create meaningful visualization, keep this principle in mind. The first one, clarity over complexity. Avoid clutter. So your visualization should convey one clear message at a time. Next, choose the right chart. Dear friends, use bar chart for comparison, line chart for trends, scatter plot for relationship, and pie charts spangling only for proportional data. And here, tell a story. A good visualization doesn't just present data, it guides the viewer through a narrative, helping them understand the why behind the numbers. And it focuses on design. Yes, dear friends, use colors, labels and annotation thoughtfully. And too many colors can confuse, so too few can bore. So strive for balance. Here I just give you a real world example, COVID-19 dashboard. One of the most impactful uses of data visualization in recent times was during COVID. And dashboard showing daily case counts, vaccination rates and hospital capacities became a vital tool for policymakers and the public. These visualizations were not just informative, they were life-saving, helping people make critical decisions. How to get started? Yes, if you are new to data visualization, start with tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet for basic charts. As you advance, explore platforms like Tableau, Power BI or programming libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn with Python. Okay, today's takeaway. Yes, data visualization is both an art and a science. It's not just about presenting data. It's tell story, uncovering insights and driving actions. So mastering this skill can make you an indispensable part of any data-driven team. And dear friends, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with anyone else who would enjoy learning about AI and machine learning. Got any questions or doubts or topics you would like me to cover next? Drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to dive deeper in upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video, dear friends. Happy learning.